The Tinyleaf Cabin, designed by GOC, is a minimalist yet highly functional retreat nestled into a steep slope in the Methow Valley, Washington. With an area of just 8 square meters, this compact cabin serves as an outpost for outdoor enthusiasts, offering both mountain biking and cross-country skiing access. The design harmoniously integrates the cabin with the surrounding landscape, utilizing large glazed sliding doors on the south facade to maximize the connection with the outdoors, effectively expanding the living space during transitional seasons. Constructed with cast-in-place concrete walls, the cabin is bermed into the hillside, providing insulation and blending seamlessly with the natural topography. The flat roof not only offers additional outdoor space, but also enhances thermal efficiency by holding snow in winter. The exterior materials, including steel cladding and concrete, were chosen to age naturally over time, allowing the cabin to evolve with the environment and appear as though it has always been part of the landscape. Inside, the cabin features a simple yet efficient palette of concrete and wood. The interior design is akin to a ship's cabin, with built-in cabinetry and hidden storage solutions, maximizing the limited space. The cabin includes a small kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom, all meticulously designed for efficiency. Storage is cleverly integrated, with pull-out panels and drawers concealed in the walls and under the bed. A linear skylight illuminates the interior, enhancing the sense of space and connection to the outdoors. Overall, the Tinyleaf Cabin is a thoughtful, sustainable design that embodies the spirit of minimalism and respect for nature.